With several dozen extracurricular activities, Kellenberg is known as the school that never sleeps. Many of these activities are better known than others, and the Woodworking Club, supervised by Mr. Peter Sennert, is indeed a hidden gem.
Kellenberg Woodworking Club has been active in Kellenberg for years, since the beginning of the school. It took a short hiatus while there was a change in personnel. I came into the club as the moderator probably about 3 or 4 years ago, and the club has taken off since then.
Tucked away in the basement of Kellenberg, the Woodworking Club provides a space for students of all ages and skill levels to explore the art of carpentry. Alongside being a place to learn, for many students, including senior Brooke Baccio, it's a place to express themselves through their craft.
Hi, my name is Brooke Baccio. I'm part of the advanced class in the Woodworking Club. Right now I'm working on my own personal project and creating my own barn, which is inspired based off my love of horses.
The Woodworking Club is open to all students in grades 6 to 12 with a passion for manual crafts. Members have the opportunity to contribute to construction projects for the school while also being encouraged to create their own personal creative passion projects.
Students participate in the club on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We have different skill levels with different projects going on. And the design of the club is to foster the camaraderie of woodworking among the students, but also to build practical skills that they can translate into the real world after graduation.
Meetings are held every Tuesday from 3 to 4 for all members, with an additional advanced class meeting on Thursdays. To become a member of the Woodworking Club, students can contact Brother Kenneth
in the principal's office on Monday mornings. From the PhoenixOnline, I'm Kevin Curley.